Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So today I have a wig review slash kind of installation, and the company that I'm working with is called, I'm just gonna show you guys the box because I honestly don't know how to pronounce it. Of course it will be in the title and everything like that. So before we get into anything else about the wig, I want to talk about what they sent inside of the packaging. So I got this really cute pouch. I don't even know, it doesn't really have any words, just letters, and this is cute for like makeup, travel, or something like that. And they did send 2 pairs of eyelashes, so just to show you guys this one and the edge brush. And they also included this kind of like headband, so the packaging was really nice. And then of course 2 nude caps. Okay you guys, so this company did go ahead and send me their Brazilian straight transparent lace front human hair virgin wig. That's a mouthful, but that's the title of it on the site. So it is available in 12 through 28 inches. This one is 22, but it looks more 24-ish. Like I told you guys, machine made wigs will fall longer on you if you're short. And y'all, when I tell y'all this is touching my ribs, it's touching my ribs. So it's more so 24, 26 if you're 5, like 1, 2, or 3. So the density is 180 and the width of the frontal is 13 by 4. Why is my camera dying? So this is the wig, and I must say the hair is really nice, y'all. Like super silky and full. I didn't have any issues installing it. I'm gonna do like a mini install, and then I added some baby hairs. Then I did add some makeup to the part. The shipping was via DHL, and it took, I'd say, maybe 3-4 days, so not long at all. And what I will point out is that I didn't have to flat iron this hair, so I like that, because nobody feel like flat ironing this long hair. Like sometimes you just want to throw on a wig and go. So I decided to go with a little side part. I thought that was cute. But overall, I have not had any issues with this wig. Super cute and long. I love that because you're getting more for your money's worth. So that's great. This is a company I haven't heard of, but it is. I'm glad I'm working with different companies because I kind of work with the same ones. And this one seems like a pretty good one in my opinion. So the wig doesn't exceed $300, so that's great. I do want to add that the texture is really silky. I haven't had any crazy shedding nor tangling while I'm wearing it. And also in the back there is some lace that you can lay down if you want to do like an up style, like a ponytail or something. So that's great because you have that versatility. And I do want to say that the ends are very like healthy. Like look at those. They don't look damaged or broken off or any of that, so that's like a plus. And yeah, I don't want to prolong this part. I just want to hop into the actual installation. So if there's anything you guys want me to add or that I missed, just comment below and I will answer your question. Thank you guys for sending me this wig, and like always, I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video.